This is a short-term play. I'm not investing in oil to see how this disaster plays out in 10 years. During the press conference yesterday, Trump said, "We are going to be running it Venezuela with a group. We are going to rebuild the oil infrastructure." Timestamp 3725. 1. For those who weren't around in 2007, quick history. In 2007, Hugo Chávez forced foreign oil companies into PDVSA-controlled joint ventures. PDVSA is the Venezuelan state oil company. Foreign operators were told to hand over majority ownership or leave. For the U.S., this meant ExxonMobil refused. Assets in the Orinoco Belt were expropriated. Years of arbitration followed. ConocoPhillips refused. Same outcome. Large projects seized. Chevron accepted minority stakes and stayed operational. Result? Production fell from around 3.2 million barrels per day to well below 1 million barrels per day. 2. What a rebuild actually looks like. This is not about new mega projects. It starts with fixing what already exists. Workovers on shut-in wells, pipeline repairs and leak control, stabilizing heavy crude upgraders, restoring export terminals. Venezuelan crude is extra heavy. You cannot produce it without services, chemicals, and constant intervention. 3. Who makes money first? Phase 1, oil field services. Short contracts, fast cash flow, low political risk. Phase 2, operators with existing licenses and assets. Phase 3, majors that demand long-term legal certainty. Where I put my money. Phase 1, Schlumberger, Halliburton, Baker Hughes. Phase 2, Chevron. Phase 3, ConocoPhillips, ExxonMobil. Doubts? Isn't this all a bit premature? Yes, absolutely, but the stock market doesn't let you wait until it's all said and done. Isn't it late already? Maybe. All these companies are already up plus or minus 2 to 10% pre-market, but I'd say it's still early. About Phase 3 players. I'm unsure how they will react. They will want their settlements, but I doubt Trump will give them any without joining the rebuild. I guess they'd be repaid by grants for rebuilding, but I'm unsure. The uncertainty is why I put them third. Maybe one of you guys has better theories. Do with this as you will. I'm in and shared my view. Happy to see yours. TLDR, Trump said, "We are going to be running it Venezuela with a group. We are going to rebuild the oil infrastructure." A rebuild starts with repairs, not new oil dreams. Oil field services get paid first. Chevron benefits next. Exxon and Conoco are optional upside, not the core play. Might be too early to call or too late already according to pre-market, but I'm in. My bet is on Schlumberger, Halliburton, Baker Hughes, and Chevron for now. Most big oil stocks trade 24 hours. At this moment, Halliburton plus 13%, Chevron plus 10%, Baker Hughes plus 10%, Schlumberger plus 12%, Valero plus 10%, Marathon Petroleum plus 10%, ConocoPhillips plus 8%, Suncor plus 6%. By the time the news hits, it's always too late. Looking at the Friday charts, insiders already locked and loaded.